Have you ever wondered how you can integrate comments in a Webflow website? Let's say, for instance, you finish reading a blog post and you want to drop a comment. Webflow doesn't really have that feature yet natively. I'm not sure I know of any. However, let me show you how I am able to achieve this using, let's just jump right into it and we'll just do practical steps. Okay, so this is a practical example of the comments. Let's say you're done reading a particular blog post. Let's say you're done reading, and after the related post, you go down here. We have this section that has drop a comment. You can type your comment and you can comment. However, you need to sign up to be able to drop a comment. Unless you want to post as a guest, then you can post as a guest. Even if you do post as a guest, the comments would, okay, just gonna enter your name and your email, and I'm not a robot, and comment. Now the comments is going to be here awaiting moderation because you checked the box to rather post as a guest. But now, all right, let's jump right into how you can do that. So we'll be using the app known as Disqus. Let me log out. So they are disqus.com. So this is the tool that we'll be using. And yeah, this is how the website looks like. So Disqus just helps with, comments basically. I think there are other, tools that you can also use, but so far I think Disqus is the most popular one. Yeah. And what you want to do, you want to click on get started if you're just logging in for the first time. Now they have they have the free version, but this is the paid version. But I wouldn't worry too much about the paid version. We're just going to see how it works. You can click on here for the free version. So click on get started, and you want to put in your email, you want to sign up, you want to sign up to create an account, right? So you're just for me, I used my email to sign up. So I just clicked on Google, and it's going to sign you in like that because now we are on the free plan. However, the free plan has ads supported. All right, so yeah, it's good for a start. So this is how the dashboard looks like, the installation general. So you have all of this, community, moderation and reaction and all of that. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to add your site, okay? Because this is the website that we want to integrate the comments on, right? cynthiapeter.com. So this is the website, for instance. I've already done this, but I'm just going to walk you through how I was able to achieve this. So this is the website, and you're going to ask yourself, where do you want to add these comments? You want to add it in the blog detailed page. That's the articles page, okay? So yeah, so the first thing you want to do, you want to add your site, cynthiapeter.com. So if you click on here, already add this Cynthia Peter. That's the site already added, but you can click on the new. Click on new. Now after clicking on new, you want to fill this information here. That's organization, which is yourself. Then now the website's name. You can put in your website or whichever website that you are looking to integrate this comment. All right, you can just say whatever sites you're building. So I'm going to say davemars.com, and I'm going to select a category. Let's say it's a tech related website. I'm going to create site. All right. Now, hooray, we've created that. That's the first thing you want to do. Get started. Now we have done that. Now, if you see here, we have total. That's total of 2 websites. So I have the Dave Mars I just added and cynthiapeter.com. Now you're going to see all of this platform. There's WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, Squarespace. If you notice, there is no Webflow here. All right, there is no Webflow. Now we also have the install Disqus, configure Disqus, setup moderation, and all of that. So because there's no Webflow here, what you want to do is you want to say, I don't see my platform listed. Install manually with universal code. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to bring us here how to install. So yeah, this is the code snippet that you need. So what you want to do is you want to copy this code. Right, this is the first thing you want to do next. So I'm going to click on here to copy. All right, now the next thing you want to do now, because we are doing that you have to be very mindful. We are on the Dave Mars account. We have the Cynthia Peter, we have the Dave Mars. All right, so if you notice here, even if you pay attention to the code, the JavaScript code for it, you're going to see the source says here davemars.com, davemars-com .disqus.com embed. So you want to be very mindful of this. This is how you know that, okay, yes, you are on the right account websites. All right, so yeah, that's the first thing you want to do, and you want to be very mindful of this part. This part is also important, but we're going to talk about it when we go to Webflow. So yeah, I have copied this. Now you have to now go to the website that you want to install the comments. So now this is the blog. However, we want to, when someone clicks on a particular blog like this, so we want to be able to install that comment underneath. Drop your comments. All right, so we want to see it here, so let's do that. So I'm going to go here. So you're going to just create a section and all of that, create all of this. Now what you want to do next, you want to add a code embed. I already did that before for the Cynthia Peters website. All right, mind you, I'm supposed to be on the davemars.com website, but I cannot access it now, so I'm just going to use this to explain. So all you got to do is just to add a code embed, which I already did here. And how that can be done, just bring in an code embed, right, and paste that code snippet that you copied. All right, now mind you, this source says davemars.com, which is good. Now you want to pay attention to this part. You see this part that has the, see this part here, this part is very important. This is where you have to pay attention to. All right, now what you want to do, you want to take away this what's it called, this asterisk and slash, because it means that this part is like a comment, so you don't want that. You want to take it out. You want to make it active. You want to make this part of the code active. So I'm just going to delete this and also delete this. You see, these parts are now active. All right, now you want to pay attention to this page URL. This .page.url is equal to, it says here, replace page URL with your page canonical URL variable. Also, page identifier, page is equals to page underscore identifier. Replace page identifier with your page unique identifier. Right, now how do we get this page URL? How do we get that? That's what you're going to ask yourself. Now you're going to get it because it is an articles page. The page is dynamic. What you want to do is you want to go to your CMS, and this is the blog posts. You want to go to settings and you want to copy this. So this is your page URL. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back, and yeah, I'm just going to paste it here. I'm going to take this out. All right, and I'm going to paste it there. We have the semicolon there, so we now have this. But mind you, this is on cynthiapeter.com. If I were to be on davemars.com, then I'll also do the same thing and get that for davemars.com. I'm just showing you guys what I've already done on cynthiapeter.com, but then this, yeah, I'm sure you get the point. That's the first thing you want to do. Now you want to also get the page identifier. You're just going to create, how do you do that? You're just going to create a page ID from here. Yeah, this is like a page ID here. We're just gonna say blog, yeah, just let's call it blog. Page ID, call it blog, and we're just gonna go here, and the page identifier, say blog. All right, that's what you want to do, and I think that should be it. If you've done those two things, you just want to click on save and close. So there's no point repeating it twice. So this is the first one I did. It's basically the same thing, this and this. All right, see, now it matches here. The source says cynthiapeter.com .disqus, so it matches, so which is good. I'm going to click on save and continue. So let me just delete this one I did now. So if you publish it, because if you try to preview it, you're not going to see anything. All right, you have to like publish the website to live or to the staging link. Now let us check it out. So when you scroll down, you're now going to see this. So this is what we've been able to do. So you can drop comments. Hey, I love this. I love this. Now you can comment. However, you need to be able to be logged in. That's the weird thing. you have to, before you comment, you have to, log in or sign up. Because if you click on comments, it's going to ask you, hey, sign up with Disqus. But you can choose to log in, log in with Google. Now I'm logged in with my Google account. Now I can comment and say, hey, see, hey, I love this. Great insight. See, you can just comment. So you have great insights by David Anierobi, and hey, I love this. So yeah, when you click on another blog post, you're going to see it there again. I already did, and I tested 5 days ago. These are the comments I made. I was trying to test it out, so yeah. Just stuff like that. Pretty great. See, this is a new blog, no comments yet, 0 comments from me, David Anierobi, and all of that using Disqus. Maybe if you're using a paid plan, then you won't get to see, you can get to customize it the way you want, like taking out all of this, ads, Disqus, all of these things here, because this is a free plan. That's why it's like this. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. And you can be able to control who, you can be able to see all comments, approved comments and spam comments. You can be able to delete comments. So this is also another part from the dashboard, the Disqus dashboard. You can go to site admin. Yeah, you can be able to see everything. You can moderate comments, look at the comments that was made 11 minutes ago, hola, 36 minutes ago. You can be able to delete them. So these ones were commented as anonymous, so you can approve them. You can approve comments. You can approve comments if someone comments as a guest. You're going to see it here for approval. So when you go to approval, you're going to see everything approved. Look at the one I commented 2 minutes ago. Great insight. And hey, I love this. You can, since you're like the admin, you can delete comments. You can, do whatever you want and all of that. All right. And all of that. So you can go to overview for Cynthia Peter, for davemars.com. And you can see all sort of overview and reports. Reactions. Yeah, you can just play around, and you can even go to the moderation section, moderator ads, reactions, recommendation, email subscription, advanced. You can do a lot of things, Sites. We have 2 sites because I have 2 sites, which is this 2, Cynthia Peter and Dale Mars. You can do lots of settings. This is where you can set if you want someone to comment as a guest. I think under moderators, under let me see, advanced, recommendations. No, you can do a lot of settings here. Let's see, pre-moderations, new commenters, links, flagged, image. Okay, yeah, allow guest commenting. So allow guests to comment. So you can save it. Yeah, you can just, play around with it. You can now pay if you think it's a good feature you want to use. You can now, go to subscription and billing and get the, the paid version. All right, you can get the paid version and you can use it, which would have lots of more functionalities and all of that. So yeah, that's basically it. You might want to go to installation, like I said, to be able to install maybe for whatever sites you want to use. Maybe that's Cynthia or David. And next thing you want to do is to go here and you want to copy this code and you want to go to your website and embed it there. And you want to change some few things like I did. And yeah. Or you might also watch this installation video to get more insights about it. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you use to create the feature for commenting. Okay, see you in my next video, guys.